What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you what I do with bare root plants. This is a DeGroot black raspberry or blackberry baby cakes. It was on sale at Tractor Supply for $3, so I got it because I wanted to show you what I do with bare root stuff. First thing you want to do is take this box off and get it out of this bag. Okay, so this plant actually has a really good root ball. A lot of times when you get bare root plants, they're only going to have a couple of roots hanging out, and you're going to be like, whoa, this is dead. But it's not dead, it's just dormant. It's been sitting in a refrigerator for a while. So what you want to do is to revive it, is to fill a bucket with water and then put some manure in it. And I put bone meal and I put some soil and then I put water in. And I let the plant sit in the bucket overnight. So that's probably like 8 hours. You can do it for just an hour if you're in a hurry or something, but I do 8 hours, especially with my bare root roses. After you put it, let it sit overnight, you dig your hole, and I pour my mixture in the hole, and then I plant my plant on top, spread the roots out, and then I put soil on top. It's a great way to jumpstart your bare root plant. It's thirsty. It's been sitting in a refrigerator for a while, so it needs to be revived with a lot of water. So there you have it. That's what you do with bare roots, and good luck.